Greeting dear children. Today we are going to start chapter 14, that is factorization. Before starting, we must know what are the algebraic expressions. Although we have covered it in chapter 9 also, but still it's a recapitulation that you should know what are the various terms, what are the various expressions, what is coefficient, what is constant in algebraic expression. So how to write the algebraic expression? If I say 5 times a number x, so how should we write it? 5 times means multiply. 5 times a number x means 5x. A number y multiplied by itself 3 times. It means y into y because it is to be multiplied by itself. So I can write it as y cube. Y into y can be written as y raised to power 3. 3 subtracted from a number t. 3 is to be subtracted from which number? From t. It means t minus 3. The sum of number x and y subtracted from their product. If I am saying sum of number x and y, it means I am talking about x plus y. It is to be subtracted from. In case of subtraction, whatever comes after from, that is to be written first. From their product. Product of what? X and y. So, xy minus sum of these numbers. So, xy minus x plus y. The sum of 3 times x. 3 times x means 3x. And because this is sum, so plus 5 times y. So, these are various algebraic expressions. How do we differentiate algebraic expressions from equation? If there is no equal sign, then we say it is an algebraic expression. So these are all algebraic expressions. Moreover, there can be some different expressions also, like 3x plus 2y minus 7z, or ax square plus bx plus c, or it can be minus 9 by 2 xyz plus 4 y square z minus 3xz. So these are the different terms. But whenever there is plus or minus sign, then we say the terms are separated. Here, this is the one term, second term, and this is third term. How do we know these are different terms? Because they are separated with sign. So there are total 3 terms. How many terms are there? This is first term, second term, third term. So this is also having 3 terms. It is also having 1, 2, 3. How do we know this is altogether same term? Because there is no sign in between. Whenever there is no sign in between, it means it's a single term. This is a single term. This is a single term. Now 1, 2, 3 terms. There are how many terms here? 1 and 2. This is having 1 and 1 more. This is together in a 1 bracket. So there are 2 terms. 2 terms. 1 term. 1 term. So these are the algebraic expressions. There can be 1, 2, 3 or more terms in the expression. Now you know what are the like terms. Like terms are those terms which are having same variable with the same power. Like terms. What are the like terms? Like terms are those terms which have same variable with same power. Like 2x square, 5x square minus 9 by 2x square. These are like terms because they are having same variable with the same power. You know what are the variables? Variable and constant. Do you differentiate between variable and constant? What are variable? Unknown terms. Unknown terms are called variable. Fixed quantities are called constants. Fixed quantities are called constant. See, x, y, z, t, whatever these terms, x square, they are all x, y, z, x square, x, y, z. These are all variables. And what are the constants? 3, 9, 7 by 2, 4 by 5. These are all 0. They are all constants. Okay? So this is clear to all of you. So this is very important. So finally, what is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is whenever we do some basic operations with unknown terms with some variables, then we call it as algebraic expression. See, if I am writing basic operations carried over unknown terms is variables is called algebraic expression. Like 3x plus 2y minus 7. So here are unknown terms and this is constant. This is variable, this is variable and this is constant term. When there is no, this 7 is a fixed quantity now. It is not having anything x, y, z, a, b, c. So this is a constant term. So I think this is clear to you. What are the variables and what are the constant terms. Inside the variable, inside one term, it can also be expressed as, I can write it as 3 into x. Terms are having factors. Terms with factors. So this was first term and it is having factor 3 and x. This is the other term, second term. It is having factor 2 and y. Factor, what are the factors? Factors are the parts of various terms. So 7 is having only one thing, but I can write it as minus 7 into 1 or minus 1 into 7. So 1 is the factor of every number. This can also be written as 1 into 3 into x, 1 into 2 into y. 1 is the factor of every number. You know this thing now. Whenever any prime number is also there, then also we can write it as product of that number as well as with 1, right? So this is important thing. You should know 1 is the factor of every number, and these are the algebraic expressions. Now when we have to do the factorization, what are the ways of doing factorization? Factorization means making parts of various terms, है ना? So that are factors, and selecting common factor from all the terms. See how to do. How we can select the term factors from all the terms. For example, if I have 2xy minus 4xy square. This is a one term, this is other term. It is having 2 into x into, okay, I am writing it as 2x square y minus 4xy square. I have to select all the common factors. I can write it as 2x x y. 2x x y. I have made it into parts. This can be written as 4. 4 can be written as 2 into 2, then x, then y, then y. Just see here, 4 x, y, y. Now select what are the common things. This 2 is here as well as here. So 2 is common here. 1x is 2 times x is here, but here it is only 1 time. So I am selecting 1x from both. So x. Now it is having 1 time y, it is having 2 times y. So I am selecting 1y from here. Now because I have taken something common, so that will be taken out. Just think as if I am dividing by this. So 2xy has come out. What is left over here? Only 1x. 2xy has come out from here. What is left here? 2y. X minus 2y. So this is the factorization. What is the meaning of factorization? Changing this plus or minus term into form. See, 2xy into x minus 2y. X minus 2y is inside the bracket now. Now that is turned into product form. So factorization is changing. This is the answer. Factorization means changing plus or minus terms into form. Into means product form. So this is the product form. I hope you have understood. Did you get it? Let us see one more example. If I am saying 16x square y minus 80x y z. So what can be done? Can I think 16 and 80 come in one table? See, 16 5 is the 80. So 16 x y. I can write it into the simplified form in the prime number form also. 16 can be written as 2, 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. Now this is x into y. This is 80. 80 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 2, 2, 2, 8. And now 8 times the 80 tha na. So 10 can be written as prime factorization form. 2 5s the 10. So 2 into 5. Now x, y, z. Now I have to search how much is common. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2 here. So all the 4 2 are common. It is having 1 time x. It is having 2 times x, but this is having only 1 time x. So what is common? Both are having at least 1 time x. So this x is common. Next, x here and yz here. So they are having the different terms. It is also having y. It is also having y. So y is common. So what is common here? 2, 2, 2, 2. 4 times 2, 1x and 1y. Now put the bracket. When anything is taken as common, what is left here? It is having this x alone. Rest all have gone from here. So this x, this minus, it has gone. So what is left? 5z minus 5z. So 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 2s are 16 xy x minus 5z. So this is factorization done. Now can you see this is in the product form. This is inside the bracket plus and minus, but this 16xy is in the product with x minus 5z. So this is the answer. Have you got it? We will do more practice of this kind of questions. So let us take some examples, some more examples. So I am doing these, try these. This is try these of page number 219, page 219. Try these. Let us really try them. This is 12x plus 36 and we want to factorize. Just think कि directly instead of writing into the prime numbers 2 into 2 into 3 or this also in the prime factorization terms, can I think here कि in the table of 12 36 comes. 12 3s are 36. But if you don't remember the tables, you can do that way also. 12 can be written as 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. And what is there with it? X. Plus 36 can be written as 3 1s are 3, 3 12s are 36, 3, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. So 2 times 2, 2 times 3. 2, 2, 3, 3. Now search out what is common. 2, 2 times and 1 time 3. 2 times 2 and 1 time 3. This is common. 2 into 2 into 3. So what is left? Whatever is left, that is to be put in bracket. What is left here? X plus what is left here? 3. So put in bracket. So what is there? 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 into x plus 3. Whatever thing is coming out, if it can be simplified, we must do the simplification. Whatever is coming inside, can we add them? X plus 3 is not 4x because this is having x. This is only a constant term. So this will remain as such. I hope you are understanding. So let us do next. So this is the answer here. Next is 22 y minus 33z. These are coming in the table of 11, I am writing directly 11 2s are 22, y minus 11 3s are 33, z. We can put multiply sign in between or we can leave also. Now see here. So what is common here? 11. Only 11. Sometimes only number can come out. So 11 is coming out. What is left now? Inside. Because 11 is common. It has gone out. So just think it has gone. Now what is left here? 2y. You are watching this. We are putting the bracket. Whenever anything is taken common, we must apply the bracket. 2y minus 3z. Close the bracket. So this is, now this cannot be further added or subtracted because these are unlike terms. Only in 2y, some term having only y can be added. 2y minus 3y, 2y plus 5y, that can be added because they are having the different variables. So they will not be further added or subtracted. So this is answer here. Next is, let us do the next part also. Last part, third part. Third part is 14pq plus 35pqr. Now let us see what can be written here. This is 14 can be written as 2, 7. So these are the prime factors into p into q. And how we can write as 35? 7 5s the 35. These are the prime factors. 7 into 5 into p into q into r. Now find out what is common in this. See, terms are separated by plus or minus. So what is common here? It is having 7, it is having 7. It is having P, it is having P. It is having Q, it is having Q. So 7PQ is common. Now put the bracket. What is left here? It is left with 2 plus, here what is left? 5R. 2 plus 5R. So this is the answer because now they cannot be added or subtracted. So answer is 7pq into 2 plus 5r. Hope you have understood. So keep trying this kind of questions. So that will be easy for you. I am sure you will be understanding. So keep learning. Thank you very much.